Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today video title is how to restore delete files. Friends, we have deleted your photos, videos, any documents, any file, and guys now you want to restore, you want to recover. So how to restore and recover today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friend, first guys open your file, and once you have deleted videos, so first guys I will delete this two video. So friends I will delete it, and get two photos we will delete. Example, get this photo I will delete. Six photos. And friends now I want to restore. So friends click on this three line left side, and friends you can see trust size. So friends you have your trust size, and guys if you delete from here, so guys you cannot permanently get this file will delete guys, you cannot be undone. So this file will permanently delete on your lava phone. So guys I want to recover. So guys which photo guys you want to recover, means you want to restore, select, and guys you can see left side restore option. So guys click on your restore option, and guys restore 7 files. So friends you can check this photo will restore, and guys you can check, as you can see videos here. So like that guys, and guys when you will delete guys, so guys you cannot restore guys your file when you will restore from your trust size. So if permanently you can say delete 8 file permanently, this is permanently and cannot be undone. So delete it. So this file will not recover, means guys we cannot restore. So which video and photo guys when you will delete, so guys you didn't delete from guys your trust size, so guys you can restore, and guys when you delete your trust size photos and videos you cannot restore. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to recover and guys how to restore delete file on lava phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video.